Hey guys, once again, welcome back to Craftastic Forever! Magic, magic, abracadabra, zoom! Ta-da! So now, today, I am really sorry that I was not available for about 3 months. I'm really sorry for that, and for that I'm gonna make up to you somehow. Don't know how, but I will, I promise. So again, my channel has started posting videos, so be sure to click the subscribe button. And well, if you've unsubscribed, then please resubscribe, and please watch my videos if you like arts and crafts, crafters. So today I've got this Domes brush pen kit, especially for you all. I know it looks like this, but it's actually new. I just bought it like a month ago, but I never used it, so I don't know why. Actually, I was waiting for putting a review for you guys, but I did not have time for it, nor did I have the energy, unfortunately, since my exams came. So now I'll be, well, help putting more videos, especially for you guys. So here it's written it's for 200 rupees. I got this online actually. So let's get started. I'm gonna open this and I'm gonna test each color and show you guys. So there's supposed to be 12 shades, and ta-da. Okay, well, this is not something I did. Guess this pack was used, or maybe someone did it. I don't know. Well, no prob. As long as all of these pens are good, I'm okay. But if these turn out dry, I'm gonna literally scream out right now. I used my 200 rupees from my savings for this. So let's try with black. Let's start. These have really fine tip, you guys. Just look from the close. It's really thin actually. So first let's check out the shades. Let me show you all the shades. So this is how black looks. So you can go from light thin to thick. That's pretty good actually. It's pretty good for calligraphy too, not just coloring. So let me show you all these shades all together now. Okay, so here are all these colors. There are 12 colors in total, pretty quick dry, but they do smudge a lot, as you can see on my fingers right now. It's really smudgy, but the colors are good and juicy, all of them, thankfully. So let's try writing something. Well, yeah, I also wrote that before shooting this video, you guys. Well, technically it's new only, but I just wrote these words with it, so don't mind. So let's write, what should I write now? Can somebody give me an idea in comments what to write in videos like this? I literally don't get it what to write. So let's say crafters. Also, please don't judge my calligraphy writing, because yeah, I haven't done it in a long while right now. Yeah, this is definitely very lousy, I know, and please don't at me. You guys are really, probably really best at doing calligraphy, but I think I've lost my touch from when I used to do it. Anyway, so let's try love. That's one of the literally easiest thing to write. Oh, and also, since Valentine's Day is approaching, which I totally forgot. Also, guys, comment down below and like this video if you wanna see me do like crafts for Valentine's Day, or even unboxings for, especially for Valentine's Day. So it's really pretty actually. The colors are really nice. The only thing is that even though they quick dry a lot nicely, they're pretty hard to like not smudge your hands. If you wanna keep your hands clean and your surroundings, it's better to just wear gloves at this point. So it's really pretty. Okay, so here's a pretty simple drawing of a sakura tree. I know it's really simple, but these brush pens are really easy to handle, you guys. They're like super light. You can use them anywhere, where actually. And also, even though they have these many variety of colors, they also come in the whole case in which you can use it. I also noticed over here there's like a holder, I guess, so that it can like hold your pens when you're using them and you don't have another place, you don't want to put it back in and out, in and out. But it's a really easy to handle case and also really pretty for drawing, so I really like it. I would actually give it a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see me make more videos about drawings with brush pens, please do comment down below. And well, stay creative and stay sweet. This is the end of the video, but I hope you comment down below and tell me what to make for my next videos as well. So I'll see you next time. Stay creative and stay sweet. Bye bye.